How to reduce noise in mechanical cooling systems. Imagine sitting near a cooling system and hearing nothing but a gentle hum instead of loud, distracting noise. That's what good noise control can do for your cooling setup. Today, we're going to look at how to make your mechanical cooling systems quieter without losing their effectiveness. Noise in cooling systems mainly comes from three sources: vibrations from compressors, motors, and fans, airflow turbulence that creates aerodynamic noise, and water splashing or spraying in cooling towers. The goal is to target these noise sources carefully while keeping the cooling performance high. One effective way to cut down vibrations is to use vibration damping and isolation. This means attaching damping materials to the surfaces of compressors, motors, and pipes. These materials absorb vibration energy and stop it from traveling through the system. You can replace thin metal panels with thicker, sound-damped versions or add damping layers to existing panels. Also, installing vibration isolation mounts on motors and fans prevents vibrations from reaching the building structure, which reduces noise. Fan noise is another big contributor. To reduce it, you can redesign fan blades to be more aerodynamic. This helps minimize the tonal hums caused by blade passage frequencies. Using variable frequency drives allows you to control fan speed based on cooling demand. Running fans at lower speeds during light loads reduces noise and saves energy. Sound attenuating inlet louvers are useful in cooling towers. They help reduce airflow turbulence and water splash noise. Installing acoustic barriers or enclosures around noisy components can also block sound from reaching nearby areas. But it's important to design these barriers so they don't restrict airflow or lower cooling efficiency. Modern compressors with variable speed technology operate more quietly than single-speed models. They adjust their output based on cooling needs, which means less noise and less energy use. Using brushless direct current motors and aerodynamically optimized fan blades also helps promote smooth airflow and reduce mechanical noise. Regular maintenance is key. Keeping components clean and well lubricated ensures they run smoothly and quietly. Proper placement and orientation of equipment can further reduce noise impact. Sometimes, oversizing equipment allows it to run at lower speeds, which cuts noise, but this can be more costly. In practice, combining these methods can reduce noise levels by 5 to 20 decibels without sacrificing cooling capacity. For example, adding damping materials and aerodynamic fan modifications can make a noticeable difference. Using variable frequency drives not only cuts noise but also lowers power bills. Installing acoustic barriers is effective but should be balanced with ventilation needs. In the end, reducing noise in mechanical cooling systems is about combining vibration control, aerodynamic improvements, sound barriers, and smart operation controls. When done right, these strategies keep your system quiet and efficient, making your environment more comfortable and productive.